Hi there, Gayla Scrivener here, and in today's Accomplish More tip, we are going to do a very simple sign-up form using MailChimp and to put into a WordPress site. This particular site is for Kelly Gardenhire, who is just starting out his website. So we're keeping things simple and just getting him started. And then later, as he is consistent with his messaging and getting out there online, he'll add some complexity. But the first thing is let's get a place on the website where he can capture emails. And what we're going to do is his home page is his blog role, and we're going to put a sign up right about in here. He has a WordPress site, so you can do this many ways. You could add a plugin by going back to the back office in the dashboard, go down to plugins and go into add new and type in MailChimp, and you'll see a lot of plugins. And the one that we use quite a bit is MailMunch. However, for him, I'm going to go a different direction and we're just going to simplify it even more. Let's hop over to his MailChimp account. And this is a brand new account. He has one audience or one list in there with one contact. So we're just getting started. And what we're going to do is go under Manage Audience and Sign Up Forms. And from here, what you'll need to do is go under Form Builder and tell the system kind of what is it that you want it to kind of look like. In this case, we want the top to say one thing, challenge. We definitely need the email address. That's going to be required. And I want to capture first name, and I want to make sure that that's a required field. That's not always a default of a required field. So I click here and save the field. Now, if you want last name, a required field, you just click on it, click required field, and save field. Now, the address and phone number, things like that are on here, and if you want to have those, these are hidden fields. I don't see a need when we're just capturing emails so that we can email information. You can also delete sections by hitting the minus sign and then deleting. So I deleted that section. There's new email permissions that we had to have. It defaults at different options, like direct mail. We're just going to do the email option, and I'm not going to make it required. It just kind of keeps, it's part of the rules of the nice little privacy for what we're going to use emails for. Okay, now we've got the required fields in how we want it. So I'm going to go back up to sign up forms because I'm not going to use this sign up form on the website. What I want is an HTML code because I want to embed it on the blog. So let's select that. Once here, you get a preview of what it's going to look like. Well, I don't want it to say subscribe. I'm going to have it to say join the okay, and then I don't want to show the HTML or plain text. This is what it's going to look like, and we're going to experiment and see what it looks like on his website, see if we need to make any modifications. So what we're going to do is just copy this, Control C is what I'm doing, and then moving over to his website, we're going to go under Appearance and Widgets. And what we're going to do, I'm flipping over here, is in the Widgets area, that's where the sidebar is. All right, once here in the Widgets section, You'll see what options are available to him. And we're going to expand that out. But what we're going to do is between search and recent posts, what he wants is that sign up form. And we are going to use custom HTML and we're going to drop it right there. And then remember we were over here. We had that highlighted. We hit Control C for copy. I'm going to put my cursor here and hit Control V for view. And I'm going to hit save. And what I'm going to do is go to his website. I'm going to refresh and see what it looks like. Because if I don't like what it looks like, we're going to monkey with it a little bit. All right, here it is. Join the One Thing Challenge. We've got the email. We've got this, last name, the email permissions, the subscribe. To me, it looks great. It worked like a champ. So that is how you put a simple sign-up form from MailChimp, embed it onto your website in the widget section. Thanks for joining me for today's Accomplish More tip. For more tips like these, much more, then please subscribe. And also you'll find more information at scrivenersolutions.com. Thank you.